my 2013 BMW 5 Series 520 diesel. It's a M-Sport. I've had a few people ask me about some of the modifications and work I've done to the car, so I thought I'd mention it and let people know. So to start with, the front splitter is a M Performance. Most people fit them and don't paint the side pieces, they just leave them black. But I wanted something a little different, so I went for the white side pieces with the black lower piece. Got the black grills, gloss black, double fin centers. Car has factory xenons. I've got the wheels. I was going to upgrade the wheels to 20-inch, but I like the original wheels, so I decided to keep the original wheels and just refurbish them and painted them white. Alpine White 3 is the code, so I'm happy with them. It makes it a little different and stands out. I think it looks well against the white. The next thing I've done was I fitted the M Performance side decal and the M Performance side skirts. I think the white side skirt makes a difference. Again, most people leave it black, but I think the black gets a little lost on the car. So again, something a little different. I like to be different, so I went white. Only a few weeks ago I fitted new tyres. I got rid of the run flats, fit Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. They are a great tyre. So much better than the standard, I think it was Goodyear run flats that were on the car when I got it. These are so much better. I think she looks great from the side. I also fitted the M5 rear diffuser, gloss black, and I got a Remus rear exhaust. It's a genuine Remus exhaust. I'm not trying to make it look like an M5, but it looks good. I like having twin exhausts on most of the cars that I've had. I didn't replace the rear spoiler, but I did wrap the back section of it to the top. The front section is white. I don't like the black spoiler on them, but I like the look of the black spoiler from behind, so I think that looks pretty good. It's just a nice clean little car. I've always liked my 5 Series. So the inside, it's got black leather in good condition. A few weeks ago I got the steering wheel refurbished in new leather with the perforated leather on the sides, napa leather on top, and the M stitching. Thinking of upgrading to the paddles on the wheel. This car doesn't have the paddles, so we'll see. I also upgraded to the professional nav. When I got the car had a business nav with the small screen, so I think I paid €800 and upgraded to the larger screen. That included everything, the controls, all the wiring and the actual amplifiers and stuff. And as you can see, I fitted the red start-stop button. Overall, I love this car. It's kind of hard to beat. There's a lot of 5 series around. I think just in the town that I live there's 5 or 6 white M-Sports F10s, but I'm happy with this. It just looks that little bit different, and yeah, hope you like it. If you have any comments or anything to say, just leave it below. And if you want me to do any more videos like this, just let me know.